Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Facebook Ad Manager to have a look at what other brands are doing to help inspire your own ad creative. And if you stay all the way to the end, then I'll show you a little trick that you can use to delve even deeper to your competition. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is just go to facebook.com/ads/library. This takes us to Facebook's ad library home. You can essentially search whatever you want in here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to change our location to all. We're going to change our categories to all ads, and we're just going to search for a brand. So for this instance, let's pick Blend Jet. They're a great brand to have a look at. So you can see here, we type it in and it gives us some suggestions of popular Facebook pages. Of course, the first one is the actual brand we want to look at. Some vital information. They're running 93 ads all together. So we can scroll through, we can have a look at all of them, we can give them a play.
Don't be fooled by cheap copy.
You can have a look here at what your competition is actually running. This is so important and allows you to have so many insights that you wouldn't normally have. You can see how many statics they're running, you can see how many videos they're running, you can see what offers they're running. All of this is super exciting. Another thing you can do is also have a look at the landing page that they're running to by just literally clicking on their CTA, and you can see this is directing them to this landing page. So you can have a look at the actual landing pages that brands are using as well. Again, another great resource which is completely free. I know what you're thinking, Fraser, I've seen this before. I know how I can analyze competitors using Facebook Ad Library. Okay, fine, understand. Well, let me introduce you to a little thing called Foreplay. Not that Foreplay, but instead this Foreplay. It's a software that allows you to create swipe files and save ads for later. I'm a massive power user of this. My team uses it every single day, and it is integral to the way that we create ad creative. So you can see when we're scrolling around on Ad Library, you can see this little thing here that says add to Foreplay. So all we need to do here is we can select from like the million swipe files, which we already have set up. I'm going to save this one to video ads, and then I just click save to Foreplay. It takes a second and it saves it directly to our Foreplay dashboard. So now we jump over to Foreplay, which is just foreplay.co, and then we log into our account. If you haven't got one, you can sign up. There's a link in the description. However, if you have a scroll down here, these are all of the boards that I have. We're going to go into the one that I saved the advert in, which is video ads, and you'll be able to see that the advert that we just saved is inside of here. How amazing is that? It also shows us how long it's been active for. This is so useful when you're spying on your competitors because you can essentially see winners. The longer an advert is running, the chances are that it's a winner. So for these, it's been running for 11 days, this one. We can click on this little eye icon. It also gives us some more information. It gives us the niche that they're in, the platforms that they're running it on, what the CTA is, the time running, and also gives us a nice handy link over to their landing page as well. You can leave comments here, and it is so incredibly useful. You can just one click save ads, and they're saved there forever. That's the cool thing. I'm sure you've all been in that scenario where you've linked to an advert within Ads Library just by literally going here and then going copy link, and then you share that with someone, and then the ad isn't live anymore and they can't see it, and it's a bit of a mess. Well, Foreplay basically removes that. This link that you share here will be live forever. So that's the way that we use Facebook Ad Library to spy on our competitors. Of course, now we have TikTok Ad Library as well. If you want me to make a video on that, I can do. Leave it in the comments and I'll take your suggestions. But I promised a little other sneaky tidbit. Well, this one is really clever. So we all know by now that brands can whitelist ads by using other people's pages, and those won't show up in the Facebook Ad Library search that you normally do when you click on the brand's page. So when you're searching on Facebook Ad Library, we're back on the home page here. You've done all your settings here. You've set your location and what type of ads you want to look for. Instead of typing in the brand name and then clicking on the advertiser's name, instead we want to search the exact phrase. And what this does is shows us all the times that BlendJet is being used in other ads. This is so smart. So we can see here all the creators which are running BlendJet adverts, whether there's publishers doing it. This gives us a real insight into their full ad strategy. And then for one step further, once again, let's save this to Foreplay. So we go here, save to Foreplay, and then we'll head over to our Foreplay dashboard. So here now I've refreshed, I'm back in Foreplay, and I can see here, you can see this is the ad we saved before. The page is the whitelister page, and you can see all the same data, how long it's been running for. You can play the video, share the video. How incredible is that? Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you do want to sign up for Foreplay, there's a link in the description for you to do so. But this is by far the best way for you to spy on your competitors, see what they're doing, and then better it. As I always say, don't steal and copy your creators, just use it as inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit subscribe. I'd love to have you on board, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.